Hey everyone, this week I've got a couple Shelby Cobras. So older in my collection is this Kyosho. Now this is the Big Daddy, this is the 427 SC. So you've got the really big wide fenders to fit the big tires to plant the power from this 427 cubic inch V8. This Kyosho's had a few iterations over time, little improvements like the wheels. These are known as Hollow brand knockoffs. This is an early car where not the most accurate representation of these wheels. Newer ones are better. But I think I paid about $40 for this car about 10 years ago, and at that price I'm not mad at it. Interior detail's okay. You have a little bit of carpeting in the footwell. Dog legs for the doors. Again, this is probably a 20-year-old diecast. That's kind of what you expected back then. The decal on the fire extinguisher is kind of a nice touch. You have an opening trunk. Not much to see there. Again, more dog legs. This probably would have retailed for like $59 over 20 years ago. Chassis detail, about what you expect. Pretty neat car. Newer Kyoshos with the improvements are probably about $129 or so. I mean, I don't know if it's really worth switching out to have slightly better wheels. Packaging, these are old window boxes. They always came with kind of like tags, almost like a Franklin Mint car. This says car number 7006 out of 9800, so it's nice that it's a numbered limited edition. Nothing special in the box. But a more recent edition, I got this about a week or two ago from Germany. Now this is the 289 Cobra. This actually came first. This is a small bodied Cobra, no big fenders, no giant wheels. And this had a 289 V8. I think probably for a short period of time the Cobra, these would have had the 260 V8. Kind of mirrors the first Mustang. For the first couple months of production, Mustang V8s were 260s and then were replaced with the 289. So probably, from memory, similar situation with the Cobras. Now this is by Norev. The nicest feature is these are metal wire wheels, and I think they're gorgeous. They kind of make the car. If you look at the steering wheel, very nicely detailed. Very, very well done. Again, carpeting in the interior. I think overall this is a better presenting, more accurate model than the Kyosho. But this is sealed diecast, nothing opens. So that's kind of what you're giving up. But I love the color combination of the black and red. They also make this, I think, in white with black interior, but I had to have this color. You do have an open front grille, which is nice. This probably retails for about $79 or so. I got for about $30-35 US from Germany. Certainly not mad at that price. Typical modern Norev packaging. Black plastic base denotes the car. Window box, nothing too fancy. So if everyone remembers, last week I mentioned I have my blue DNA Vigan, and that's going to be for sale. Some people contacted me about the price. I think the fair thing to do is I'm going to put it on eBay this Sunday and start it for less than I paid, which is I paid $175, so I'm going to start at maybe $160. Because some of these DNA cars are now $300, so I'm going to let the market decide. So if you do want to buy that Vigan, find it on eBay. Just search for, DNA Saab, DNA Vigan 1-18, and throw a bid at it, and you'll actually get one of my cars. Everyone have a good week. Please like and subscribe.